you look good with pink hair. Twinsies! Hey everyone, it's Kimmi the Clown, and today we're going to be playing with something super fabulous. Are you guys ready? Okay, let me go grab her. Hang on. It's the Barbie Crimp in Color Deluxe Styling Head. Wow, this comes with 31 pieces. Ooh, you can crimp her hair extension. And you can change the color on her eyeshadow and her nail polish. Wow, look at all the different styles you can give her. Oh, she even has bangs. All right, guys, what do you say we take Barbie out and give her a makeover? Here's everything out of the box. Doesn't she look pretty, you guys? She doesn't even need a makeover, but we're gonna give her one anyway. Here's the crimping iron it came with. And these are the designs you can do. There's hearts or waves. And here's the applicator to make her nails and her eyeshadow change colors. We've got some elastic bands for her hair, and even some blue and some pink nails. And stickers for the nails. And here we've got some hair clips and some jewels and some jewelry. And a cute little Barbie hairbrush. Here's her bangs that you can put in. And even some pink hair extensions. Okay, Barbie, let's work some magic on you. First, I think we should start with a braid. Ooh, that looks cute. How about a cute little purple clip in there? Adorable! All right, Barbie, for your next look, how about some hair extensions? Ooh, you look good with pink hair. Twinsies! Okay, so for the crimping, let's start with this heart one. That looks pretty. Just pop these in, and let's get crimping. All right, it says to hold it down for 10 seconds. Ready? Wow, it really is a heart. Okay, now let's do some zigzags. Okay, and lastly, I'm feeling an updo. Very cute, Barbie. Now what do you think about some bangs? I don't know if bangs are for you, Barbie. Let's stick to no bangs. Add a couple accessories. So fabulous. Okay, and now for your nails. I kind of like this color. Let's just do some stickers. All right, how about a diamond? Ooh, that's pretty. And a B for Barbie. Ooh, and a pink diamond. Beautiful. Ooh, and a little Barbie head. That's super cute. And how about one more diamond? You can never have too many of those. Now we gotta do something about this eyeshadow. I'm thinking purple. It says to use ice cold water. Let's see if this works. Wow, it really does turn purple. It's beautiful. Other side. Ooh, so pretty, Barbie. Wow, you look glamorous. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'm Kimmi the Clown. Hope you had fun clowning around with me today. Me and Barbie are gonna go play makeover some more. She's gonna give me a makeover now. Have a fun day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Say bye, Barbie. Bye.